Hey there and welcome to RV Gear and Far. I'm Joshua. Many RVs, especially used ones, come with tires that are, well, let's just say they're not the highest quality or treated the best. They might be old, cheap, or even dry rotted, and a blowout can ruin your trip real fast. Now most RVers will age out their tires before they wear them out. Some newer rigs are coming with better quality tires, but don't assume yours are good to go. Always check the DOT date codes and visually inspect all your tires before pulling out. You can find that DOT date code stamped into the tire sidewall, and it'll tell you the week and the year that the tire was manufactured. So 3523, this tire was manufactured in the 35th week of the year 2023. And if you can't find that exact sequence, try looking on the other side of the tire. It's usually only stamped on one side or the other, and sometimes that side is on the inside of the RV. It's recommended that you replace towable tires every 3 to 5 years, even if you haven't met the mileage rating. Remember, tires are designed to be used. They'll last longer when they're not sitting in one place. So the used RV listing for the 5-year-old RV that has less than 100 miles on the tires isn't actually a benefit. It's a liability, and I personally would replace those tires as soon as possible.